Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make brinjal and potato curry. That is baigan aloo ki sabji. And while I am making the curry, I will show you the ingredients. So this is the brinjal and potatoes. So I am going to make this curry now. I hope you all will like it. If you all like my channel, please subscribe, share, comment. So come on, let us start the recipe. Put some oil. This is panch foran which I am going to use now in the curry. So I am going to put this in the oil now when the oil turns hot. Put in the onion. I have put in the onions. Now the panch foran and the onions will fry. Onions are turned brown. Now I am going to put in the saffron. Put little bit water. This is onion and garlic paste which I am going to put now. This is jeera, mustard and pepper, black pepper paste. This also I am going to put in now. Put in the chili powder. Put in the curry masala. Masalas are turned brown. Now I am going to put this brinjal and potato. It's cut in this shape. You can see it. Now I am going to put it. Put in the salt. Put in the tomatoes. Put the water, the coriander leaves, let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Potato brinjal curry is ready. That is baigan aloo ki sabji is ready to eat.